Hi, I'm Allison Victoria. Your new roofing system is one of the most important investments you can make for your home. So it's just as important that you protect that investment. That's where the manufacturer warranty comes in. Now, I deal with manufacturers all the time in my business. And the thing to remember is, a warranty is only as good as the manufacturer that stands behind it. When you install a GAF roofing system, you'll have the peace of mind knowing North America's largest roofing manufacturer is behind your warranty. GAF has been in business for over 125 years, and they're financially strong, which is tremendous. You don't hear about that kind of longevity very often anymore. GAF offers 3 exceptional limited warranties, each with different levels of coverage. You can compare the coverage right here on the GAF website. But here's a little tip. If it were my home, I would at least go for their System Plus limited warranty. It's a great value. But if you want the ultimate peace of mind, get the Golden Pledge limited warranty. It even covers the contractor's workmanship. Whatever coverage you choose, you'll sleep well knowing that North America's largest roofing manufacturer stands behind it.